doing?
How are you?
Ah, I'm doing well. I'm doing well. What is this place?
Cat.
Cat. Yes.
Cat beach.
Cat Beach.
Yes.
Okay. Why is there Cat Beach?
There are all the roadside cat out they drink. They take care.
Oh, okay. Okay, that's cool. Do you live here?
Some of people donate the money. They buy food, all this.
Okay. And do you work here?
Yes.
And you live here? So you take care of the cats?
Cats all.
Okay. Why? Why do you want to work here?
Yes, take care, girl. Yes. Myself have no strength.
Yeah.
Cannot work. Old already.
Yeah.
Last time I worked. No, cannot work. Cannot work.
Cats everywhere. It's pretty much just two houses on the beach that were turned into these cat refuges. So all like the wild cats and all the cats from the neighborhood just come here, hang out, eat food, sleep. It's kind of like a vagabond home for cats. Oh, this one's missing an eye. And this is kind of like a big kind of pirate fortress for cats. It's like this wooden kind of like tree house kind of place that all the cats like live in and hang out in. And this guy here really likes me. Check him out. He won't leave me alone. He's been following me around the whole time. Oh, and the one-eyed cat too. He likes me too. I like the one-eyed cat. This guy's fucked up. Oh my god, this guy's fucked up. Hey, how you doing?
How are you?
Oh, I'm doing well. You work here? Oh wow. This place is...
We stay here.
You stay here?
Yeah,
Oh.
we take care for the animal.
Yeah. For how many years? How many years you have Cat Beach?
4 years already.
4 years already?
Yeah.
Oh, did you start it?
No?
No?
Yeah.
Oh, why? Why do you have this here?
We take for my friend from USA, America. He not now. He stay for Batu Sungai now.
Okay.
Yeah.
So how many cats live here?
300 something here.
300?
Yeah.
Wow.
So a lot cat here.
That's a lot.
Yeah.
That's a lot. Where do they come from?
Anyway, for somebody bring here. Yeah. Somebody bring here from here.
Okay. And you live here?
Yeah. I
Okay.
live here.
You live here with the cats.
They also cannot going out because you going out after fighting.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Why?
The bigger.
Oh.
I cannot going out.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. It's like fighting.
Okay, so he's punished?
Yeah.
This is a pretty fascinating place. It's like this cat sanctuary that was started by this American guy about 5-6 years ago named Teviat. And he came here and apparently bought these 2 houses on the beach and turned them into kind of a refuge for cats. And people bring, beat up or sick or, cats that are in need of help, to this place. And they have about, 290, 300 something cats living here now. And it's really, really interesting because it's not a place that's just about cats, but it's about people too. I mean, the people who work here are either, older people who can't really, work anywhere else anymore. Kind of younger people with, disabilities or who can't, easily find a job. But the most interesting employee that I talked to who works here is this guy. He told me he spent 30 years in prison for robbery and being part of a gang, and he got out about 5 years ago and he came to work here, and he seems to kind of be the one who kind of keeps everything together, and he kind of runs the place. Seemed like a real fascinating man. He's older, probably about 65, maybe even older now. Tattoos all over him. We first started talking because I commented on his tattoos. I said, hey, cool tattoos. He had a big snake on his chest, and he was like, no, they're not cool. I got them in prison. And I don't know. He just basically told me this story of being young and kind of dumb, robbing people, robbing banks. He said they even robbed banks, and eventually getting caught and going to prison for 30 years, where he kind of learned his lesson. He kind of matured, got older, and but anyway, so basically, I mean, this is kind of like a refuge for cats and people. The workers here, they live here. Right? They live inside these houses. They live with the cats, all day long, and basically take care of the place and take care of the sick cats and feed them all, and as well as talk to visitors like me who show up wondering what this place is all about.